Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. Seventh week. Lesson 47. Here we shall be concentrating upon two technical terms, Maya and Leela. Maya and Leela. Simple translation for Maya is delusion, delusions, and Leela as illusions. However, these are the technical terms, and as such, first the term Maya, when is translated in numbers, it will lead to summation value 14. Likewise, Leela, when translated in numbers, same is 5, 4, 5 and 2 is 16. This pair of numbers, 14 and 16, when are translated further ahead as Thapatya, it leads to H4 and D6. H4, 4 space as hypercube 4 space body is of 4 folds 2, 3, 4 and 5, making it 14, and D6 is of spectra 6, 4, 4 and 2, that is 16, and 16 as 2 raised to power 4 is parallel with the dimensional frame of a 4 space. Therefore, these two terms, Maya and Leela together, are 4 space within 4-dimensional frame, 4 spatial dimensional frames, and 14 and 16 together as 30 leads us to H8, that is hypercube of 8 space body, that is 6, 7, 8 and 9. This reach for hypercube 4 within dimensional frame leading to hypercube 8 as value 30 is the TC value of Agni cone. TC value 14 plus 16, and Agni cone takes to the directional frame, 8 directional frame. This 8 directional frame as northeast diagonal is again cone. It is as 8. This way we see that pair of terms Maya and Leela are straightway taking us from 4 space within 4-dimensional frame to 8 space as hypercube 8, and it is manifesting as northeast diagonal, northeast angle. It is again cone. It is 14 and 16. See this pair of terms, Maya and Leela, are very, very intensified phases and stages of manifestation from 4 space to hypercube 4 with dimensional frame taking us to hypercube 8 as the northeast angle, and within a 8 directional frame it becomes a take-off stage, and this take-off stage for 30 is for 34 the next H9, and H9 would mean reaching the west north. Let us now have a pause and have a fresh visit. Maya and Leela are taking us to northeast again cone, and a step ahead 34 is going to be the west north. So a reach from northeast to west north is a reach. Now let us visit again the values 14 and value 16. The difference value is 2. 14 becomes dimension and 16 becomes the domain, n and n plus 2. Further, the value 14 as a range of discrete 14 points will lead to 13 gaps, and number value 16 as values range 1 to 16 will lead to 1 to 29 factors, and 29 is equal to 16 plus 13. As such, we see that Leela 16 is having value 13 as additional artifices in terms of the factors, and value 14 as a range is having 13 gaps. These 13 additional factors are bridging the gaps of discrete 14 points, making it 14 plus 13 is equal to 27, and 27 and 16 makes 43, and it is the value of a Brahmand. It is 21 and 22. See the bliss of it. And also 27 is equal to the total structural components of a cube. This cube, as it is of 27 structural components, namely, there are 8 corner points, there are 12 edges, there are 6 surfaces, and there is 1 volume. And further, it is H7 H7. Now, this number value 30 is a setup of a 3-space body within a 3-dimensional frame. These are, see the structural components, 8 corner points, there are 12 edges, there are 6 surfaces, there is 1 volume, there are 3 dimensions, and there is 1 origin, 31. If it is divide of an origin, then it is 30. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well, as that the formulations Maya and Leela, as these formulations are, these are when changed further as Maya. It is one word, it has 2 syllables, it has 4 letters, and its TC value is 14, making it 21. On the other hand, the word Leela is one word, 2 syllables, 4 letters, and 16 as the TC value, making it 23. See, 23 is the TC value of Janam, birth, and 21 is the TC value of Mrityu, death. So, death and birth. This pair of formulations, as their first 4 folds of TC values, are leading us to the phenomenon of death and a birth. Further, Maya is leading us to TCS TT value 27, 45 and thus 55. As frequency, it is leading us 18 and 1494. As formulation, 9 is 34, 9 is 17, 2 is 16, 1 is 8, and then it is 16, 57. As formulations, 9 is 34, here is 6, here is 2, and is 6, 48. As transcendence rage, it will lead us to 22 and 110, and it next is, since the pair of 220 and 14, 234. In respect of Leela, these 6 formulations as TT is equal to 25, and as FF it is as FF, it is 80 and 1696. As F, it is going to be 15 plus 12 plus 15 plus 16. It is 58. As H, it is going to be 18 plus 14, 18 plus 6, 56. As transcendence range, it is equal to 24, 120. And as RS, it is 240 and 16 is equal to 256. This way, we see this pair of formulations are having very, very rich domain of values inherent within these formulations. Therefore, sadhakas fulfilled with intensity efforts to be parallel with the Vedic systems shall revisit and revisit these formulations, beginning with the four space, and then reaching at a four space dimensional frame. This four space and the dimensional frame as separated features, when get superimposed, these lead us to value 30, that is, it leads us to H8. It is this reach from H4 to H8 is what really makes Maya and Leela as to be illusions and delusions, as it becomes really a mental blocks. Here the mental states or mind gets trapped, and to transcend out of it, we have to see that this 30 is going to be an again cone, a northeast corner, and this northeast corner means Agni, means a fire. We are here, it is manifesting at this corner point. To go step ahead, we have to go to the southeast, value 34. This way we see that Maya and Leela are taking us from the northeast to southeast. At this reach from northeast to southeast, which when is viewed in the context of the all 8 formulations, then here is value 34, and on this corner is 42, and 42 is equal to 23 plus 19. This is that if we are having values 1 to 23, a janam, birth, then it becomes punarjanam, rebirth. Therefore, these formulations are not only restricting us only up till death and birth, but even punarjanam. Therefore, birth, rebirth phenomenon is there lively within these formulations, and as all these formulations are then taking us to 33, it is Purusharth, and 33 to 30 is 63, it is Om Namah Shivaya. Going from south to then this is again leading us to value which is 45. So 63 plus 45 is 108. It is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, all these inner folds are lively, but if we are transcending the illusions and delusions, once we are transcending illusion and delusions, and we are having a reach at the Prakriti, eightfold nature, taking to its center, now Brahm, then all the whole range of phenomena of birth, rebirth cycles, all yajnas, all tapas, and all other Vedic activities even will permit transcendence therefrom. It is this transcendence from the manifested creations, it is this reach from manifested creations to the transcendental domain which is awaiting all the sadhakas. So one shall be through these formulations step by step and transcend these mental blocks, reach the Prakriti again cone, and from here have a transcendence to southeast 34, and then have birth rebirth cycles, Brahmand, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, and all whole range of this Jeev 16 to 24 Purusha. So Jeev to Purusha, Janam to Punarjanam, Purusharth to Om Namah Shivaya, Purusharth to Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Purv to Paschan, Samriti to Gyan, 21, 22, together as a Brahmand. The whole eternal domain is lively available, blissfully available for all those minds who are away from the mental blocks, who have transcended these illusions and delusions. Once the mind transcends Maya and Leela, then one is parallel with now Brahm. Thank you very much. It is this which shall be imbibed. Once again, let me sum up that this as is the phenomenon, and this phenomenon is inherent in this system of creators of space, manifestations within creators of space, and the transcendental origin, and the transcendental origin having an explosion, and with this explosion there happening a phenomenon that even when we reach from manifestation to transcendental domain, then await self-referral domain as well is awaiting for us. And this as a Surya is taking us to Brahm, and the eternity is awaiting for us. Par Brahm is awaiting for us. Sit comfortably, meditate, take your mind away from, transcend from illusions and delusions, melt these mental blocks, and be parallel with Vedic systems, and be blissfully with eternity. Thank you very much.